So okay. So now I am starting Unit 5. So Unit 5 is already I sent the syllabus in Google Classroom. So this is a Unit 5. Unit 5 is a multivariate analysis. So multivariate analysis is a screen is visible. Screen is visible or not?
Yes,
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 sir.
visible.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, thank
Yes.
you,
Yes.
thank you, thank you. So this is a model of pi. It is divided into three parts. Okay. So already you know the syllabus in Unit pi. This is a Unit pi syllabus: random vectors and the matrix, mean vectors and the covariance matrix, multivariate normal density and its properties, principal components. Okay, this is a syllabus. This involving in three concepts that I putting the table. This involving three concepts. First concept is random vectors. That random vector is contained for mean vector, covariance vector and correlation. So and also multivariate normal density is contained formula, properties and theorem. And the principal components is needed for basic idea, characteristic equation, eigenvalues, eigenvector, normalized vector and the principal components. Okay, this is a basic concept. Then what is value and what is important part of this unit? Important part. Okay, this is a important part and this is also important part. It's very important. But already I'm told in each unit you divide into two part and study at least on that part. Therefore, maybe omit this part, meaning you want to study this one and this one, then easy you got it the 13 mark question and also two more question. Some two more question is there in this normal density, but here involving the principal components very important one. Already studied in the lower class, maybe UG level, how to find characters equation, eigenvalue, eigenvector, normalized vector and principal components. Okay. Then previous class I somewhat idea were given. What do you mean by mean and what do you mean by variance, not for covariance. Same process for care covariance. Okay. So okay, first what is a notation of mean? Already I am told two notation is there. Okay, three notation is there. One is called a x bar, another one is called a e of x, and another one is called a mu. This three notation is also is note that mean only. This three notation is note that mean only. This is a single one dimensional case, therefore I want putting here this format only. Here using the random vectors. So what do you mean by vectors? Vectors means it's not in the scalar. So what do you mean by scalar? So scalar meaning you know the basic concept is only the numbers. Okay, you know the basic concept in the physical meaning. Speed is a scalar and velocity is called a vector. Okay, speed meaning in 50 kilometer is called a scalar because only running the speed only. Velocity with respect to time and speed is also there, and also direction is also there. Okay, that type of is called a vectors. Vector is a more than one dimensional. Suppose one dimensional meaning is a scalar. Okay, one dimensional meaning you already know real number. One dimensional meaning you already know real number. Okay, this is not that real number r, but the vector is not that two dimensional or more than two one dimensional. Okay, vector is not that the more than one dimensional. Therefore, the vector concept is not that not for x. So many variable is there x1, x2 up to xn is there. Therefore, the collection of data is involving. Therefore, that corresponding data is x1 place is x was 11, x12 is running that x1m. Similarly, we can find this one same process in the up to n values, up to n value xn1, xn2 is etc to xnm. Okay, this is a matrix format. Then is called a vector. Then e of x is note that e of x that corresponding already you know e of x is called a mean. How to find mean? Already I am told the sum of this value separately you want find the mean. Separately you want find the mean. Okay, first one this one, second one this overall value, third one up to nth value. We want to find the mean separately. On this notation, mean first mean is notation that E of x1, second mean is note that E of x2, and next mean is note that E of xn. Therefore, the mean vector, okay, I define the mean vector. How to find the mean vector? The matrix mean vector is defined by, this is a 2 more question, please note that. This theory part is 2 more question. How to define the mean vector? E of x1, E of x2. So running this process, last mean is E of xn. Total n vector is there, therefore n mean is also there. Okay. Already you know the formula. What is the formula? Mean formula. In statistics meaning, two type of meaning in mean is there. Already I am told in the last class statistical meaning. Okay. In this class I am told extra idea probability type. Okay, probability type. So what is a statistical type in the mean? Already you know the formula, summation x by n. Summation x by n is a mean in statistical data. But here probabilitical data is a, what is a mean formula? Summation x into corresponding probability value. Okay, summation x into corresponding probability value. How to define the probability? Okay, I given the idea, basic idea of the probability. Suppose one coin is tossed. Coin. Okay, 1 rupee coin. So 1 rupee coin is tossed. You know, one page is that number, another page is some diagram, that line diagram, some 3 pages of some line. Okay. Therefore, this is note that is H, and this is note that get and tail. You know, head and tail. Okay. Then what is the concept here? Is not that sample space. Is not that I depend the probability. Okay. What is a probability concept? For the example of coin toss problem. Coin toss problem. One coin is tossed. This is coin, and you toss and is getting the 1 rupee means is a tail, and next side means the is get. Therefore, S is not that number of possible here, tail and H and tail. Okay. Therefore, is not that n of S equal to 2. Suppose, so what is the probability of tail? What is the probability of tail? How many values is there in the sample space? Tail, only one value. Therefore, probability of tail equal to 1 by 2. Probability of tail equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Anybody join new? Only 3 numbers is there. So why is this audible? Strength is full means I will take in class. Only 1 numbers, 2 numbers is not possible. Okay. Where is Surya Prabha? Surya. What is the name? Wait. Surya Satyan. Okay. Please add all numbers, ma. Otherwise, it's difficult because this is a max, not for theory. Theory meaning is no problem. Max means regular class attend and also complete your homework. That's a easy way. Otherwise, very difficult. Okay. Please impart to Surya and Amrita. Added today classes. Today class is very important one. I talking about a very important 13-mark question, and also 2 mark questions also involving. Suppose voice is not clear. Yeah. Surya, sorry, mute ma. Please stay in class, not for leave it in class. Please stay in class only. Okay. So okay. I moved in this one. Suppose screen is not visible or voice is not clear, please inform me. Okay. I moved to the class. Screen is visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Therefore, probability of tail. How many tail is there? Only one tail. What is a formula? First of all, you write the formula. Number of t. Number of t means number of tail in the sample space divided by number of s. This is a probability formula. Okay. This is a probability formula. Then number of t is 1 in this set. and the number of s, total number of s is 2. Total number of s is 2. Therefore, the type of values is 1 by 2. The type of values is 1 by 2. Similarly, we can find the probability of ket. How many ket is there? Only one ket. Then what is the formula? N of number of ket divided by number of s. Number of ket divided by number of s is called a probability formula of ket. Then that is equal to, now how many het is there? Only one ket, and the number of s value 2, therefore 1 by 2. Then what is the possible care probability value and x value? Suppose ket is 0 ket and 1 ket. 0 ket means one tail is there, and 1 ket means one ket is there. That is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This is a probability value. So probability property is very important. Properties of probability. So properties of probability. So it is a probability properties. So probability values lies between 0 less than or equal to pi is less than or equal to 1 only. Okay. Second one, so probability values is not more than 1. Okay. Third one, probability values is not less than 0. Is not less than 0 means there is no negative value. Okay. No negative value. No negative value. And next very important property, sum of the probability is equal to 1 only. Sum of the probability is equal to 1 only. This is a very very important property. Okay. And also the probability of empty set. So fifth one, the probability of empty set equal to 0. Null set, that means called a null set. Okay. Probability of null set is called a 0 only. Okay. And you know the sixth property of probability, probability of event plus the corresponding complement event equal to 1 only. Okay. The event, this is called a complement. This notation is called a bar. A, this one is called a bar. The complement of event and event probability value is equal to 1. This is another very important formula which implies that probability of complement of corresponding event equal to 1 minus b of a. Okay. This all formula using in this chapter. Please note this one. All formulas. Okay. Any doubt regarding probability? Any doubt, ma? I move to the next concept. Doubt means I discuss with this one. Otherwise, I move to the next concept. Would that message means it's not possible, pa? Because I move to the screen, then only I start the.
Yes, sir. Please proceed.
Okay, Madhu, okay. Remaining, ma?
Okay.
I move to the next one. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. I move to the next one. This is a basic idea of the probability. Now I move to the basic problem. So it is a formula of mean x bar equal to summation x by n. This is a statistical data. Suppose probability data is there, meaning is not that E of x, that is equal to summation x into probability of x. Okay. This is called a statistical data values are given using this formula. This formula using probability values are given, then using this formula. Okay. So mean vector is completed. What is a mean vector formula? This is a 2-mark question. What is a mean vector formula? x1, x2 up to xn are vectors, and are the data values are given this format. Then you want separately mean in x1 part, x2 part up to xn part. The corresponding values is not that E of x1, E of x2 up to E of xn. Therefore, the mean vector, this formula is called a mean vector. Okay. This formula is called a mean vector is E of x equal to E of x1, E of x2 up to E of xn. This is a 2-mark question. Sometimes in the problem theoretical idea in 2 mark, or sometimes in problematic idea is also 2-mark question. Now mean is completed, meaning I move to the variance. Okay. So already I given the formula in the statistics data previous class. What is the formula of variance? What is the formula of variance? In last class completed. What is the formula of variance? Tell me, ma. What is the notation first of all? What is the formula of variance? Daily considering is otherwise is not possible. Note and pen in can, and also write the very important. Already I am shared in Google Classroom. All are joined in Google Classroom or not?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I am, please collect material and also written in the notes. Also very important. Otherwise, it's not possible because it is a max. It's not per theory. So mathematics means you won't practice very important. Otherwise, very difficult. What is the formula of variance?
Sigma
Sigma
of x
f
minus
into
x
x
bar
minus
x square by sigma f
Yeah,
by
very good.
n
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. X minus x bar whole square divided by
by
n.
n.
Yeah, this is a one formula. The same idea is another formula is there. Uh, the same formula process another way, or that is equal to 1 by n summation x squared minus x bar squared. This is another formula. Both are same variance only. Okay. This is a main formula. Also, this is also variance formula. What is the formula? 1 by n summation x squared minus x bar squared. Okay. These two formula statistical data values are given, then using this two formula, either this one or this one. It's no easy. Suppose probability values are given. Suppose probability values are given, then what is a formula? Okay. So already I know expected value. What is expected values formula? Summation x
Summation
into.
x into p of x.
Very good. Thank you, ma. Same idea. Thinking what is a formula of e of x square? Any possible? What is the formula of this one? E of x meaning,
Summation
tell me.
summation x square
Very good. Uh, P of x
p
only.
of x
Probability
square.
means, yeah, probability only. Therefore, P of x only. Okay. Not for P of x square, P of x only. Okay. Okay. So now apply the standard deviation or a variance formula. Replace this idea. Replace this idea. Already you know x bar. So x bar you know E of x. Therefore, x bar squared is not that E of x the whole squared. Therefore, the variance formula replaced by another format, sigma squared equal to E of x squared minus E of x the whole squared. E of x the whole squared. This is another formula for the variance. This is another formula for the variance.
Variance.
Okay, please note that. Previous formula is a statistical data values are given. In this formula, probability values are given. Probability values are given, then only find the variance. So okay, I given the one example how to find already previous case completed. That meaning statistical data values are given, then how to find mean, variance, standard deviation. Already done in the last class. Now I am starting the probability values are given, then how to find mean, variance, and standard deviation. Okay, simple question. Maybe 2 more question in your question paper board exam. That meaning Anna University exam. What is the question here? Find mean and variance. Find mean and variance. So given the data x 0, 1, 2. Corresponding probability value. P of x 0.3, 0.5, 0.2. Okay. So what is the formula? Already I given the all idea. Mean equal to, what is the formula? Summation x into probability of x.
Summation.
Okay. The variance contained in two values. Variance contain E of x squared value and E of x value. Suppose this value done meaning you want to put here and you want extra idea E of x squared. Okay. One value E of x the whole squared and another value E of x squared. E of x squared formula summation x squared into probability of x. Okay. Okay. Now we want to find the calculation part. Now we want to find the calculation part. But you form the table is very easy. Okay. X probability of x. Next calculation x into probability of x. Correct? X into probability of x. Next you want to find that x squared. X squared into probability of x. This is a table format. What is the values here? 0, 1, 2. What is the probability value? 0 0.3, 0 0.5,
0.2.
now multiply, just to multiply. What is the result? Please tell me.
0,
Very good.
1, 5,
0.5. Multiplication, not per summation. Multiplication. 1 into 0.5. So understood or doubt means please tell me, I explain. 0 into 0.3. 1 into 0.5. 1 into 0.5, 0.5. Next 2 into 0.2.
0.4,
Okay, thank you. So what is the summation value?
0.9,
19 or 09?
1, 0.9,
0.9. Similarly, we can find the x squared p of x. X squared p of x value
0,
uh, 0.
1,
1 squared is 1. Therefore, 1 into
0.25,
0.5. Next, 2 squared. 4 into 0.2.
4 into 0.2,
4 into 0.2 is
0.8,
0.8. 0.8. What is the summation value?
0.8.
What? 1.3 is correct?
0.1.
120,
1.3. Yes,
1.3.
yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. So now find the mean. Okay. Mean is notation E of x. Therefore, E of x equal to, what is the result? Formula summation x into probability of x. That is equal to 0.9. Is correct? This is values is called a mean. Is correct? Any doubt regarding?
yes,
Okay, thank you, ma. Similarly, we can find the variance. So apply the variance formula. Sigma squared equal to, again write the formula E of x squared minus E of x the whole squared. So what is E of x squared value? Maybe 1.3 minus E of x whole squared. E of x value this one. Therefore 0.9 squared. Any doubt up to this one? Any doubt, ma? I move to the next step. What is the result?
yes, yes,
1.3 minus 0.81. Then what is the minus value? 1.3 minus 0.81.
149,
Very good, ma. Thank you. 0.49. This is a variance. Any doubt up to this concept, probability concept? Statistic data completed and also probability data completed. So, and also mean vector also completed. How to form the mean vector formula. Now I move to the next one, covariance matrix. Mean vector completed. Now I move to the covariance vector or covariance matrix. How to form the covariance vectors or covariance matrix. In this case, I will define the covariance matrix is note that sigma, okay, capital sigma. This notation is called a capital sigma. Sometimes is note that capital sigma equal to the value is, so already you know 1, 2, 3, etc. to n, and also here 1, 2, 3, 4 up to extra to n. Therefore, square matrix format. Then what is values here? First one sigma 1 1, sigma 1 2, sigma 1 3, extra to sigma 1 n. What is the second column? Second row? What's the depend by second row? Any
Sigma
idea?
2 1,
Thank you, ma. Sigma 2 1.
sigma 2 2,
Hmm.
sigma 2 3, etc. Sigma 2 n,
Thank you. Extra true. Last one. Sigma n1 extra true.
sigma n2,
Sigma nn.
sigma.
Okay. In this squared is the same idea per sigma, not per standard deviation. In this multivariate analysis is new notation. Sigma is also variance, not per standard deviation. Okay. In this case, is note that sigma is not that variance only. Therefore, this is a very important 2 mark question. This matrix is called a covariance matrix. Okay, I complete the second part. What is the first part? Mean vector. Okay, and the next I move to the covariance vector. Then this formula is called a covariance matrix. Okay, this formula is called a covariance matrix. Define covariance matrix. Or write up print to this one. This all is very important. All is very important one. Any doubt regarding covariance matrix? So no doubt meaning I will move to the next one. Very important 13 mark. Any doubt ma regarding mean vector and covariance vector? Huh? We move to the
No,
next
sir.
problem. Okay, very important one. So next problem, very important 30 mark or 8 mark or 12 mark. Any type of question is there. Okay. Using these two formulas, mean vector and covariance vector, using the probability concept, not for statistical data, using the probability concept. So question very important, please note this one. Find mean vector and covariance vector, covariance matrix and covariance matrix for the following probability for the following table. For the following table. So table format x1, x2. So table is a 0, 1, 2 and here also 0, 1. Okay, 0, 1 and yeah, this is a table format. Total 3 rows and 2 columns. 3 rows and 2 columns. 0 value 0.25. Okay, 0 value 0.25 and this value is 0.05. So next one 0.37, 0.37 and 0.3. So last row 0.1 and 0.20, 10 and 00. So okay, this is a table. What is the question here? Find the mean vector. What is the question here? Find the mean vector and covariance vector. Find the mean vector and covariance vector. So how to find? How to find? So I move to the solution. I move to the solution. Please note all values. Please note that all values. This notation is x1 and this notation is x2. Okay. I move to the solution or waiting here. I move to the solution, ma.
Okay.
Okay. So what is the format here? Again given that, right? Given that. So same table, given that write the same table here, and extra one column and one row you want to add. That column, this is row wise is called a x1 row, correct? This row value is called a x1 row, and the column wise is called a x2 column. Therefore I want to put that probability here, p1 x1, total 2 probability is there, therefore p1 x1 here, p1 x1 here second concept p2, second column wise variable is x2, column wise variable is x2. Now you want to add the all values in column and row wise. Now you want to add the extra one column add in the given that solution, one row and one column you want to add extra idea. Then what is the values here? First row, what is the sum of the value? Second row, what is the sum of the value? That meaning sum of the value means only add this one, probability value. Okay, only add probability value, not per 0, not per 1, only add this value, 0.25 plus 0.05, how much?
0.3.
Thank you ma. 0.3. Next 0.37, 0.3,
0.67.
Your answer is 0.3. Okay, sorry, 0, sorry, here 0, small correction, this is 0, 0.03, 0.03. Next is 0.1, 0.2, 0.1 plus 0.3. Similarly, we can add column wise. What is the column wise value? 0.25, 0.37, 0.1. How much?
0.72.
Thank you, Mas. Next 0.5, 0.03, 0.03, 0.20, 0.20.
0.1.
0.5,
0.05.
0.03, 0.20.
0.28.
Okay, 0.28. Then what is the sum of the value? What is sum of value? 0.78, 0.1, 1.
1.
0.3, 0.3, 0.4 is also 1. Therefore, our probability concept is correct. Sum of the probability equal to 1. Already I am told. Sum of the probability equal to 1. Therefore, our probability concept is correct. Next, I want to find that. Mean vector. First one, mean vector. Correct? How many mean vector you want to find that? That meaning, how many variables is there? How many vector variables is there? Total 2 variables, correct? Total 2 variables there, x1 and x2. Therefore you want to find that 2 mean vector. First mean vector E of x1, that is equal to summation x1 into corresponding probability of x1. Second mean vector formula E of second variable x2, that is equal to summation x2 into probability 2 into x2. Any doubt regarding these two formulas? Any doubt regarding these two formula? How to write this concept? 2 variables is there, therefore I writing the mean vector formula divided into 2 part. Therefore write into x1, therefore x1 into probability of x1, x2 into probability of x2. Okay, please note this table. I moved to the calculation part, otherwise it's not possible. Please note this table. I moved to the calculation. I moved to the calculation.
Yes.
Yes,
Please
sir.
note this, yeah, please note this table, because calculation but again up and down is very not possible. You only told, then I move to the problem. Therefore E of x1, first calculation E of x1, that is equal to, what is the first variable x1 first value? X1 value 0 into corresponding probability value, is correct? So I explain this table again. What is the first x1 value? X1 value 0, corresponding probability value, what is the corresponding probability value? 0.3, is correct? 0.3. Therefore 0 into 0.3 plus, what is the next value? 1. What is the next?
1.
Yeah, 1 into, what is the value here? 0.4.
4.
4.
Yeah, thank you, ma. Similarly, we can find the next one. Plus 2 into, what is the last value? 0.3.
0.3.
Okay, thank you. Then what is end up result? 0.3 into 0 means 0 only. 1 into 0.4 meaning 0.4 plus 2 into 0.6 meaning 0.3 meaning 0.6 is correct. Therefore, what is the value of E of x1?
1.
Thank you, ma. 1. This is a E of x1. Similarly, we can find E of x2. What is E of x2 value? Same concept. 0 into, correct? 0 into, how to calculate? Same process in column base.
0.05.
Yeah. 0 into 0 point, this one, 0 into 0 point,
0.72.
yeah, 0 into 0.72 plus next 1 into 0 point, what is the next value? 1 into corresponding column value?
0.28.
Okay, thank you, 0.28. Then what is the mean vector values in x2? E of x2,
0.28.
0.28. That's all completed mean vector. Therefore, mean vector equal to, therefore, mean vector E of x equal to, you know the formula, E of x1 into E of x2. That is equal to, what is E of x1 value? What is E of x1 value? 1 na? And this value?
1.
Yeah, this value is 0.28.
0.28.
So, okay, it's no uses. I move to the next one, covariance vector. Next one, I move to the covariance vector. First, write the formula and move to the concept. That means capital sigma is correct. Capital sigma equal to, how many variables is there? 2 variables there. Therefore, here 2 by 2 matrix only. That meaning 2 variables 1, 2, 1, 2. Already how to define covariance matrix? I given the one idea. N vector meaning you write the 1 to n, 1 to n in row wise, column wise. Same idea here, only 2 vector is there. That means 2 x1, x2 values is there. Therefore, covariance formula you write this format, 1 2 in row wise and 1 2 in column wise. Now write the formula. What is the formula? What is the formula? Sigma 1 1, sigma 1 2, sigma 2 1, sigma 2 2. Any doubt? Or you need idea this formula? Any doubt regarding this batteries? I move to the next one.
I have doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
I I didn't get that point.
Yeah, you know this point? Already I explained this one. How to define this covariance matrix? Suppose n vector is there meaning 1 to n and 1 to n. Therefore, you write the sigma 1 1, sigma 1 2, sigma 1 3 up to sigma 1 n. Is correct? Then n variable is there meaning sigma n1, sigma n2, sigma nn. Is correct?
Yes, yes.
Suppose 2 variable means you consider only 2 part. Only you consider this 2 part. Is correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Same process I am moving here. Same process, same formula I wrote here. Is correct, ma?
Okay, okay. Yeah, only two variables are there in this question, right?
Yeah. Suppose 3 variables, you elaborate 3 by 3 matrix
Okay.
format.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So already some idea is given. So what is the formula of sigma? That means sigma already, so I am told sigma squared, sigma are same in the multivariate analysis. So what is the formula is there in the probability concept? E of,
E of x square
yeah,
minus E of x whole square.
E of x the whole square. This meaning sigma 1 1 2 values are same one, then using this formula is correct. Okay, So what is the concept? Sigma 1 1 and sigma 2 2 is there, meaning you write the formula E of x1 squared minus E of x1 the whole squared, and E of x2 is there, meaning sigma 2 2 means E of x2 whole x2 squared minus E of x2 the whole squared, E of x2 the whole squared. Okay. Now what is the formula of this two? Now what is the formula of this two? Okay. So I told x1 x1. Okay. This one variable is called here x2 x2. Okay. Therefore their both values are equal, meaning that meaning variables are equal, meaning who wrote this formula is correct. Suppose two different variable x1 x2, here also x2 x1, two variables there, meaning the formula is changed, small changes is there. So what is a formula? Please note that, very important. So what is a formula is there? Sigma 1 2 and sigma 2 1, both formula is same, because this is called a symmetric matrix. You know the symmetric matrix? Okay, symmetric matrix means the transports are equal. Suppose A matrix is there, their A transpose is also equal, then is called a symmetric matrix. Therefore A12 and A21 both values are same, then that formula is called, please note this formula, summation x1 minus corresponding, yeah, tell me, doubt?
Nothing.
Okay, okay. x1 minus the corresponding mean into x2 minus E of x2. 1 minute. 1 minute ma. Kananga po. Tondra panadu po. It's okay. Sorry for disturb. E of x1 minus E of x1 minus E of x1, x2 into E of x2. Then what is the result here? Probability of 1 1 or 1 2. Okay, you write very important idea. Here 1 variables 2, therefore you write here 1 2. So what is the value of 1 2? That is a very important concept. You move to the main table. You move to the main table. This is called a main table. So what is the values here? The probability value of 0.2 pi. Okay, the probability value of 0.2 pi, and another calculation 0.0 pi. So what is another calculation? 0.37. Another concept 0.03. Okay, write a very important formula. Total 6 term is there. Okay, how many term is there? Total 6 term is there. That corresponding probability x1 comma x2. So very important one. This x1 value in this x2 value, starting I running this process, main table, this 0 0 calculation, next calculation 0 1 calculation, next calculation 1 0 calculation, 1 1 calculation. Okay, I writing general formula, running this total 6 term is there, running this process. Therefore running this formula again, I write this one, summation x1 minus corresponding E of x1 into x2 into minus E of x2. So first probability, what is the probability value? 0 0 probability plus. So next, what is the probability of 0 1? Next plus, what is the probability of that meaning plus here, 0 is completed, meaning 1 0 into next term, total 6 term is there, probability of 1 1, and next 2 0, probability of 2 0, and plus probability of 2 1. Total how many values is there? 6 values is there. Therefore I am using 6 concept involving in the covariance matrix. Okay, That calculation is very important. How to calculate meaning 0, 0, 0.25, 0 into 1, 0.05, 1 into 0, 0.37, 1 into 1, 0.03. Moving on this process. Okay. First write the sigma 1 and sigma 2. After that moving this formula. First calculate sigma 1 and sigma 2. Okay. So what is the sigma 1 formula? Sigma 1 equal to, what is the formula? E of
x1
x1 square, E of x1 square minus E of x
of x1 square.
E of x1 square. So same result another way. E of, okay, same result in another way, E of x1 minus E of x the whole square. Okay, that is a formula. This is formula is 1 by n summation x squared minus x bar squared. This is a statistical data. So I given the first formula summation x minus x bar the whole squared by n. Okay, two formula is there, therefore two type of probability formula is also there. This is a first concept and this is a second concept. Okay, x bar notation already know, x bar notation E of x and x is also there divided by n. Divided by n means expected values is there, therefore divided by n is also involved. Now I am using this concept, I moved to the calculation part. So first one 0 minus 1 the whole squared into 0.3. Okay, summation value. Okay, so what is the formula here? Sum of the x1 minus E of x1 whole squared into probability value P1 of x1. Please, very important calculation. Suppose not clear meaning, please tell me once again, I explain. This is a formula of this one. What is that? x1 minus E of x1 the whole squared. Then what is the x1 value? In the main table, moving to the main table, what is the x1 value? 0. What is x1 value? 0 minus E of x1. What is the E of x1 value? 1 into, what is the corresponding probability? 0.3. What is the corresponding probability? 0.3. Same process I writing here. 1 minus 0 minus 1 whole squared into 0.3. So what is the next calculation? Plus next x1 value, because x1 varies from 0, 1, 2 and the variance, that mean E of x values 0.3 in the probability value 0.3 is 0, 0.3 for 0.3 probability value, corresponding probability value. Corresponding probability value 0.3, 0.4, 0.3. So mean is same. E of x value is only same, 1 only, 1.0 only. Now I put the calculation 1 minus E of x1. E of x1 value 1 into corresponding probability value 0.4 plus next 2 minus 1 into corresponding probability value 0.3. Any doubt regarding this calculation? Please tell me once again, I explain. Any doubt regarding this calculation? No one is not clear. Is correct? I move to the next step. Any doubt regarding this concept? I move to the next step, or waiting here only. Magamodu.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, how to calculate sigma 2 2? Complete this work means but how to calculate sigma. No doubt meaning please tell me how to calculate sigma 2 2. Sigma 2 2, how to calculate? Same formula. We apply same formula. E of x2 minus E of x2 the whole square. E of x2 the whole square. Now, what is the probability value of x2? Probability value of x2. What is value of expected value? This one. This one is 0.28. This one 0.1. Then what is the probability value of p of x2? P of x2 is 0.72, 0.72 and 0.28. Right here. Zero 0.72 and 0.28. Then you want to calculation summation x2 minus E of x2 the whole square into probability of x2, that is equal to, now you want to calculate what is the result, 0 minus corresponding expected value 0.28, 0.28 the whole square into percentage probability value 0.72 plus what is the value of 1 here, 0.28 whole square into 0.28 whole square into outside value 0.28. So simplify, what is end of result, what is value of this one and what is value of this one. Please complete this work. What is the value? 0 minus 1 is minus 1 whole square, 1 square, 1 square is 0.3, therefore 0.3, sorry, please tell me what is the complete this work. 1 minus 1 is 0, therefore this part is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 square is 1, therefore 0.3 plus 0.3 is a 0.6. Any doubt ma? See, any doubt means I explained once again, it's no issues. Any doubt? How to calculate sigma 1 1 and sigma 1 2? Any doubt? Mohammed, Sabine, is there?
Yes, it's okay.
Any doubt means please inform. I again once again I explain. Okay, I again maybe doubt me is there. Again I explain. What is the main table, ma? Please tell me what is the main table. So what is the given main table? 0 1. What is here? 0 1 2. Please tell me.
0.25,
0.25.
0.37,
Okay, in column wise or row wise?
column wise.
0.37,
0.1,
0.01 or only 1?
0.1,
0.1. Okay,
1,
then here
0.05,
0.05,
5,
0,
0.05,
0.5,
0.3, 0.2,
0.3. This one is 0.3. This one is 0.3. This one is 0. And this one is 0.2. This one is 0.2. Okay. Then what is the corresponding probability value? Please tell me what is the corresponding probability value? P of x1. 0.3, 0.4, 0.3 is correct. Then what is the probability value, corresponding probability value? What is the corresponding probability value? 0.72. This one 0.28 is correct. Tell me ma, it's the same table already completed. Hello? Why is this audible?
Yes.
Yeah, this table is clear or any doubt in this table?
Yes, it's clear, sir.
Yeah. Now I moved to the sigma 1 calculation. I given the new formula E of x1 minus E of x1 the whole square. Okay. This is a new formula. Therefore, I write here summation x1 minus E of x1 the whole square. Okay. Now consider x1 variable. Now consider x1 variable and corresponding probability value. What is x1 variable? 0, 1, 2. Then what is the corresponding probability value? Corresponding probability value?
1, 3,
0.4
1,
and
3.
0.3. Is correct? Please note this one
Yes.
separately. Please note this one separately. Now find the calculation. Now find the calculation. Sum of the, what is the first variable? 0 is correct. First variable 0 minus, what is the E of x1 value? E of x1 value already done. E of x1 equal to 1 only. Expected value. Correct? Already done. E of x1 value is 1. Expected mean. Mean vector la first value is 1 only. Therefore 1. Therefore 0 minus 1 whole square into, what is the 0 corresponding probability value? What is the probability of 0? What is the probability of 0?
0.3.
0.3.
Yeah, 0.3. Plus, what is the next calculation? 1, correct? What is the next calculation?
1 minus
1 minus,
1.
yeah, very good.
1
1 minus 1 whole
whole
square
square
into
into
corresponding
0.4.
probability. Yeah, now is
0.4.
clear? Now is clear
Yes,
or
it's
any
clear.
doubt? Yeah, yeah.
No doubt, sir.
Thank you, ma. Suppose doubt means please inform, then I given the clear explanation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Silent meaning I don't know exactly idea. So silent is not a answer. Discussion class is very easy and moving to the class very best idea. Okay. Next calculation, you know what is the next variable? 2. Then 2
2
minus
minus
1
1 whole square
uh,
into
into
0.3.
0.3. Now complete. 0 minus 1 is 1. 1 square. 1 into 3, 0.3. Therefore 0.3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore you
0.
eliminate this one. 2 minus 1, 1 square. 1 square into 3, 0.3. Similarly, we can calculate
0.6.
yeah, sigma 1, 2. Sorry, sigma 2, 2.
2. 2.
Please complete sigma 2, 2 your work. Same idea, right?
So,
x2 value, probability of x2 value. Correct? 0,
yes, sir.
1, like here 0.72, 0.28. And expected value E of x2 equal to 0.28. Expected value is here 0.28. So all values I given, and also I given the formula also, x2 minus E of x2 the whole square into probability of x2. All formula I given. Please complete it. Suppose you now clear idea this part meaning, then easily complete for this one. Easily complete for this one. Please complete. Complete and tell me what is the answer.
0.2.
Huh? Completed.
Point. Yeah.
The 4-digit values is there, ma? Please tell me. 4 digit.
0.2016.
Very good, very good. Is correct. How to calculate? Anyone tell me? Anyone tell me? What is the result here? 0 minus
0.28
0.28
0.
whole
whole
square
square
Whole square
into
into
0.72
into
very
0.7.
good, very good. Plus
plus
uh,
1 minus
1
uh,
minus 0.
0.28 the whole square
uh,
into
into 0.28.
0.28.
Very good. This completed, then there's end up result 0.2016.
2016.
16.
So now idea is clear. So next
Yes.
calculation very 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 big calculation. Already I explained, but again I explain. Sigma 1 2 and sigma 2 1 both calculation are same. Both calculation are same. I given the new notation again. I given the new notation again here. So what is the format of this one? P0, P0, then this is a one probability, then I note this one P00. This one is called here B01. Okay. What is a P00 value? P00 value 0.25. Probability of 01 equal to 0.05. Then what is the next four values? Please tell me what is the notation next four value? Any idea? Doubt means please inform. Here 0, here 0. I note this probability value P00. Here 0, here 1. Therefore, I putting this probability value P01. Here 1, here 0. Here 1, here 0. Then what is
P10.
the notation? Yeah. Tell me.
P10.
Thank you.
P10.
P10. What is the result? 0.
0.37.
Thank you.
37.
Similarly, next. P.
P11.
Hmm. 0.
0.03.
Thank you. Next.
P20.
Hmm.
0.1.
Thank you. Next.
P21
Hmm.
equal to 0.2.
0.2. Now I move to the formula. So what is the formula here? x1 minus e of x1 into x2 minus e of x2 into probability of 0. So what do you mean by this one? X1 value, total x1 value is how much? Total x1 value is how much? 0, 1, 2. Total x2 value is how much? 0, 1. Okay. Then here probability value is first notation P00. Therefore, I want to taking this x1 value 0 and this x2 value is also 0. Okay. So understood? Any doubt? So it is a P00. First value is x1 value 0 and x2 value 0. Then I putting here x1 value 0 and x2 value 0. You know expected value? Expected value first one is 1. Expected value of second one is 0.28. Is correct? Correct, Amma? Any doubt? This is a very important step. Then only move the remaining 5 part. Total 6 part is there. Because P00, next P01, next P11, P 11, P21, 20 and P21. P21. Total 6 part is there. I explain first part. First part is clear meaning, remaining 5 parts same idea. Remaining 5 part is same idea. This is a formula x1 minus e of x1 into x2 minus e of x2 into probability of 0. This 0 meaning x1 value is 0 and x2 values is also 0. The corresponding probability values in the main table, what is the value? P00 is 0.25. Correct? Any doubt in the first calculation? Moving this one is 0.25. Any doubt in the first calculation? Doubt இருந்தா இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுங்க அப்பதான் மூவ் பண்ண முடியும். Any doubt?
Sir.
Okay, so no meaning, what is the second calculation? x1 value, what is x1 value?
0.
Very good, thank you. x1 value 0 minus e of x1 value is same. E of x1 value is same.
1.
Uh,
Yes.
what is x2 value?
1.
Sorry. Some mistake is there. What is x1 value? Oh, this calculation. 0. x2 value is this one. Okay. x2 value is this one. 1 minus 0.28. 0.28 into what is the 0 point probability of 0 1? Probability of 0 1?
0.05.
Yeah. Very good. Very good.
0.05.
Thank you, ma. Very good. Super. So understood meaning remaining 4 part you completed. This value is 0.05. Similarly, we can find this one. Similarly, we can find this one. Between sign plus pa. Between sign plus. Plus 1 minus 1 into 0 minus 0.28 into what is the probability value of this one? 10 probability. 10 probability.
137.
0.37. 0.37. Similarly, we can find next one
137.
plus 1 1. Sorry, 1 1 is correct. 1 1 only. 1 minus e of x value is 1. Then 1 minus e of x2 value is 0.28 into probability of 1 1. Probability of 1 1 value ma? Probability of 1 1 value 0.
0.03.
Yeah, 0.03. Please complete remaining to 0.03. So next 2 minus 1
2 minus 1.
into 0. 0 minus 28 into 20. What is the 20 value? 20 value.
0.1.
Thank you. 0.1. So next probability of 2 1. 2 1. Therefore something mistake. 2 1. Okay. Correct. Here plus 2 minus 1 into 1 minus 0.28 into probability of 2 1. What is the probability of 2 1? Probability of 2 1 is 0.2. Yeah. Please complete sum and multiplication into 0.2. What is the end of result? Anyone complete means please tell me. 0 minus 1 is correct. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 0 minus 2.8 minus 0.28. Minus 0.28. Therefore, first calculation minus 1 minus 0.28 into 0.25. First line. What is the second one? 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. Therefore, this two part calculation 0 only. Because 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, this two calculation 0 only. Is correct? Multiplication of 0 is 0. Therefore, this calculation 0 only. Next, this one 0 minus 1, 1 minus 0.8. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 1 minus 0.8, 0.72. 72 into 0.05 into 0.05. So next, this 2. We want to complete this 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 into minus 0.28 into minus 0.28 into 0.1. Okay. plus 1 minus 1 is 1, 0.72 into how much? 0.2. Just to complete using calculator, then what is end of result? This value is 0.05. This value is 0.05. Please complete what is end of result, ma? Just using scientific calculator and complete this work.
0.2724.
Oh, yeah, no. Please check again, ma, because minus and plus is there. Minus into minus plus is also there. One minus sign is there. Okay. This is a minus sign. Minus 0.72. Here also minus sign. 2 minus sign is there. Not for a here negative value. This calculation is negative value and this calculation is also negative value. 2 negative value and 2 positive value. Then please check your calculation and inform me. What's the first calculation result?
0.15.
Very good, correct, ma. Because minus into minus plus, but here only one minus, therefore this is a negative value. Here also only one minus, therefore this is a negative value. Two negative value, two positive value. Therefore end of result is 0.15. Please check, Sabine. Any doubt, ma? Correct, ma? Another person? The calculation is correct or any doubt? Tell me, I move to the next step. Bhagavad bias also okay?
Yes,
Bhagavad?
yes.
Remaining Sabina. Sabine, Pravina. Tell me another person, I move to the next calculation. Mohammed is okay. Remaining 2 or 3% is there. Please tell me. The calculation answer is correct or wrong? Waiting, ma. Please tell me. எவ்வளோ நேரப்பா வெயிட் பண்ணுறது? Please tell me, I move to the next step.
No doubt, sir.
I move to the next step. Calculation is correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, ma. Therefore, the end of the result, covariance matrix. Again, write the covariance matrix formula. Sigma equal to, what is the formula? Sigma 11, sigma 12, sigma 21, sigma 22. So write the all values. What is the sigma 11 value? What is the sigma 11 value? Sigma 21 and sigma 12 are same, 0.15 and 0.15. Then what is the remaining value? Sigma 11 and sigma 22. What is the sigma 11 value? நோட்ல நோட் பண்றீங்களா? Please tell me sigma 11 value and sigma 12 value, 22 value. Sigma 22 value 0.2016. Sigma 11 value 0.6. Sigma 11 value 0.6. Therefore sigma 11 is 0.6. This value 0. What is 0.2016? Yeah,
2016.
that's all. This is a very important concept, 13 mark. This is a very important concept of 13 mark question. Any doubt? Any doubt? Please practice. Repeated question. கிட்டத்தட்ட 5 years கேட்டிருக்கான், 5 or 6 years repeated கேட்டிருக்கான் board exam. Any doubt? Last 5 years or 6 years only repeated question this one. Or some values are same. This concept problem, one problem in your university question paper is there. I given the one homework problem. Any doubt which I explained? Any doubt?
No doubts.
I given the one homework.
Okay.
Okay. So please note that homework problem. Same process x1, x2. Okay, x1, x2 in row wise x1 minus 1 0 1 in column wise x2 column wise x2, then what is the value of x2 means 0 and 1, 0 and 1. Here minus 1 is there, okay, here minus 1 is there, variable value minus 1, not per probability value. So what is value is here 0.24, 0.24 and 0.16, 0.4, here 0.06, 0.14 and here also 0.00. Same process, find mean vector and covariance vector, mean vector and covariance vector. Okay, same 2 3 by 2 matrix, same process 3 by 2 matrix, therefore same calculation for the previous problem. We try and submit. When we will submit this problem, tomorrow or day of tomorrow?
Submit it by tomorrow itself, sir.
Okay, ma. Any doubt in the previous problem? So no doubt meaning I move to the next concept.
No doubt, sir.
So okay, ma. I share also in the classroom. This question in homework I share in a WhatsApp group also. This is maybe WhatsApp group. This is a homework. Please done and complete your tomorrow evening. I given the time. Also I am share in the Google Classroom also. Tomorrow at time like 8:40 am. Given that time 9 p.m. So okay. This is a homework problem. Please submit tomorrow. I moved another concept in this part. Total 2 part is there. Total 3 parts. Is the first part I given in one more examples and some 2 mark problem is also important. Okay. I given the new formula correlation. Okay, population correlation. Next new formula population correlation formula. So what is the formula here? Rho is not that it is not per p, rho equal to, so what is the end of formula? Rho equal to in the diagonal element, okay, the diagonal elements are 1 and the remaining values are is not this formula. 1 sigma 1 2 divided by root of sigma 1 1 into root of sigma 2 2, etc. Here sigma nn, okay, sigma 1p divided by root of sigma 1 1 into root of sigma bp. Okay, what is the second row? Any idea? I given the one clue. Diagonal values are 1. Diagonal values are 1. Then what is the second row first value, first column value? Any idea in this formula?
Sigma 21
Yeah, sigma 21 divided by
root of sigma
2 2 into sigma 1 1. Sigma 2 2.
Sure.
This one sigma 2 2 into sigma
Okay.
1 1. Yeah.
1 1. Okay. Sure.
Diagonal also I am told it. Diagonal also I told it 1 only, etc. What is the last one? Last one, tell me. Sigma 2p divided by root of sigma 2 2 into sigma
PP.
Sorry, I correct. Tell me what's last column, etc. What is the last column? PP or NN? I noted here NN. In book notation PP, but I am starting from end. I am told N only. Therefore, I am using here N only, not for PP. So what is the last row? Last row sigma N1 divided by root of sigma N into root of sigma 1 etc. to. So diagonal values are 1, therefore n top values diagonal is 1 only. This is called a, what is the formula? This is called a population correlation. This formula is called a population correlation. So next formula, standard deviation. Okay. Next formula, standard deviation vector. Okay. So next formula is a very important, very important 2-mark question. Find standard deviation vector. Okay. Find standard deviation vector. Very important 2-mark question, and sometimes 8 mark or sometimes 13 mark involving. So standard deviation is note that v power 1 by 2. Okay. V power 1 by 2 or same result root p. Same result root p. So what is a formula? What is a formula? Very important one. Is a diagonal values are entry, remaining values are null. That means 0. Diagonal values are the corresponding covariance, that corresponding variance value 2 2, and remaining values are 0. Remaining values are 0. Therefore last value is 0 0, and corresponding diagonal value is only the entry, remaining values are null only. Okay. Here question, previous problem using question, find correlation, population correlation and variance, that means standard deviation or standard deviation for the previous problem, please find and tell me. So formula now previous problem. So what is the formula? Please tell me. 1 1. Therefore only consider previous problem 2 by 2 matrix. Therefore consider this 2 only. This 2 only. Therefore population correlation done. Also variance, that means standard deviation. Standard deviation you want to put taking care this 2. This 2 only. Please tell me what is population correlation and also variance. This is a 2-mark question, very important one. Very important one. Please tell me what is the answer? What is the answer of correlation, population correlation? Please tell me. 2 by 2 matrix, correct? 2 by 2 matrix. Then population correlation is row noted. That meaning row matrix diagonal values are 1. This one is 1 2 divided by root of sigma 1 1 into root of sigma 2 2. Here also sigma 2 1 divided by root of sigma 2 2 into root of sigma 1 1, that corresponding diagonal value is 1. That is equal to 1. Please tell me what is the result? Sigma 1 2 result. Sigma 1 2 result ma?
Zero point 0.15
Yeah.
divided by
Uh,
root of 0.6
root of
into root
0.6.
of
This one is 0.
into 2016.
Yeah, complete. That is the result. (0.15) divided by root of 0.16. sorry 0.6 into 0.2016. So same calculation here and here also 1 only, because symmetric matrix only. Therefore the diagonal values of 1 and the remaining value is 1 1. What is the value of this one? Please complete. Root 0.6 root 0.2016. Please tell me. Tell me what is the result? Is it completed or not? This square root calculation. 0.15 divided by 0. Root of 0.60 into root of 0.2016. So what is the result, ma? Tell me.
0.42.
0.42. Same value is here. Same value is here is correct? Same value is here, yes. Okay, this is a population correlation. Same idea for standard deviation. So what is the standard deviation formula? Root V, that is equal to, what is the result? Sigma 11, sorry, root of, maybe I mistake my formula. Here root of, not for sigma 11, root of. Please correction, root of, not for this one, root of. Please change this formula, root of. Therefore, standard deviation formula here also
Root
root
of
of
1.
1 1 here 0 root of sigma 2 2, that is equal to root of 0.6 root of 0.2016. Then what is end of result? Tell me. What is the square root value?
0.77.
First one 0.77. Next 0 in this one 0.
144.
This one 24. Okay, 0.44. That's all, ma. These two are very important 2-mark question. Repeated question also. Find v power 1 by 2. That means v power 1 by 2. So same one, ma. V power 1 by 2 standard deviation or root v. These three are same calculation only. Okay. Notation are same. Therefore is no issues. Find root v means same formula. Find st meaning same formula. Find v power 1 by 2 meaning same formula only. This is a very important 2-mark question. Okay. Today I am completed because my time is 9. I am taking another method is not possible today. I am given the small idea. Okay, small idea when given the another method. It's very important. 13 mark one question completed and 2 mark question completed. 13 plus 4 17 mark. Today classes attended meaning 17 mark in your board exam. One class is missing meaning 17 marks out. Okay. Max class very important. Theoretic class is no problem. Max class very important because concept is many things in the one problem. So no option because this is an online class, not for offline class. So online class, any places you want to attend, is no issues. Offline class only classroom. But here workplace or running place or in home place is no issues. Please attend and write in notebook, pencil or pen using in write in notebook only. Otherwise it's not possible. Okay, very important one. Okay, I share the some question paper in Google Classroom. Please check your Google Classroom. Please take and check that unit 5. That meaning maybe 13 mark question, 15 question. Please go through 15 question or and 2 mark question 9 or 10. So 9 or 10 maximum question point v power 1 by 2 or depend mean vector or covariance vector. Okay. Same idea. 15 question either is pattern. Please check maybe this question or previous question is there. 13 mark question or sometimes in 16 mark also or sometimes in 15 mark. Please check your question paper also, university question paper. Wait, I am also share this one. Where is okay? Okay. I moved to the Google Classroom. Where is that one? Is there? I explained that one. Google Classroom. Yeah. So maybe joined per person means please check all days. University question paper collection is there. Yeah. APS main. Yeah. APS or SME both are 15 units are same. That's why I am sharing here. Yeah. You check the 9 or 8. Yeah. Here. Covariance matrix point v power 1 by 2. This is a university question paper, not for this one. This is Anna University question paper. Okay. This is called a Anna University question paper. This also 15 units are same. So what is the question here? What is the question here? Point v power 1 by 2 and rho. Rho meaning what? Rho meaning population correlation. Just now I explained. Population correlation. And v power 1 by 2 standard deviation. Okay.
Standard deviation.
Here also we check that random vector and random matrix. Random vector x1, x2, x3, x4, xn. Random matrix, we put that matrix format. We put that matrix format. X1, x2, x3 in column vector. Okay. Two question today completed. Two question today completed. Same process. We move to the 15
Is there any,
question.
hello?
Yeah. Tell me.
Is there any previous problem notes available?
I this material is there, ma, but I sent already. I'm in last class. I am told I am sent you only hard copy, not for soft copy. If you would need a means, please send your address and courier search and this hard copy printout search. Please send me. I send your corresponding address through courier. Who need material meaning?
That is like textbooks or written notes?
Total 92 pages, ma. This not textbook. I am prepare own way. Okay, I am prepare in one way. University question is also involving, and also your textbook problem is also involving here.
Okay, okay.
If you need means, okay, please send your address and also charges for printout charges and courier charge amount.
Okay, okay.
Okay. You need it means please tell me. Okay. Where is the Google Classroom? Yeah. This is a 9 and 10 question. Today I completed 9 and 10. This is a university question paper. And also please check that 15 and 16. Yeah, 15 problem. Please check that. This is a common problem. Yeah, please test that. This is a common. This is a homework. This homework also previous problem concept. This homework also previous problem concept. Completed meanings very easy. How much mark? 15 mark. Not for 13 mark. 13 mark or 16 mark here. Okay. Yeah. Next question paper is also there. Please check that. Correlate. Correlate and correlation. So no correlate means uncorrelate means the corresponding values are 0. Okay. So correlate means some values is there. Uncorrelate means the corresponding values better are 0. Moving to the 15 question. What is the 15 question? Yeah, same problem repeated. Okay, homework problem. This homework problem also previous problem concept. Please done meaning 3 times are repeated this problem. Okay, not for 1 or 2 times, 3 or 4 times repeated. Please check your Google Classroom. Okay, please check your Google Classroom. Otherwise, it's not possible. Please check your Google Classroom. This question paper is there. Also, I am moving this one. Yeah. Again, depend random variable and random vector. Set any two property. It's a ninth question completed random vector and random matrix today. And also, what is the answer of this one? Wait. 15. Question number 15. Yeah. Again, 3 times repeated. You check that. 3 times this question repeated. And also, what is in the question paper problem? Yeah. 3 times repeated this question. Total 5 question inside. Please check this one. Again, another question. Many times repeated this question. Homework problem. Many times. 16 mark. So another one times 16 mark problem. And also next question. Yeah. This question. These are the same process. This one is same process. Yeah. Here. Same question. Same question. Therefore, this homework problem 5 times are repeated. 5 times repeated in university question type. Okay. 16 mark, 13 mark, 12 mark, 8 mark. Okay. Please complete this homework. Okay. Also, this is a 2 mark question. I completed. Anyhow, now matrix theory, matrix concept. Just a 10 minutes I am taking class. After that I am close because this is a max class. Maybe tired for your side, not for my side. Maybe max class means somewhat difficult for you. So I am completed. You know matrix. Next class I taking the next part. That meaning this part. This part you want to find out characteristic equation, eigenvalue and eigenvector. This one. These are all matrix theory. You know matrix. How to form the matrix? What is the definition of matrix? A11, A12, etc. to A11 up to AN1, AN2 up to ANN. This is a square matrix. Many type of matrix is there. This is a square matrix. Is note that A. How to find the eigenvalue? That meaning characteristic equation. Characteristic equation determinant of A minus lambda I. What is I? I is called a unit matrix, identity matrix. Okay, I is called a identity matrix. Suppose all problem I am taking 3 by 3. Suppose I am taking 3 by 3, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is identity matrix. That value is equal to 0. This is called a characteristic equation. You form and complete this work is getting the equation 3 by 3 means cubic equation. That cubic equation is called a characteristic equation of the given A. That cubic equation you solve the cubic equation is getting the lambda value 3 values. The cubic equation means you getting the 3 lambda value. That 3 lambda values is called a eigenvalue. That 3 values is called a eigenvalues. Again you want to find the eigenvector. That eigenvector formula, the matrix of A minus lambda, the corresponding lambda I into x equal to 0. This x is called a matrix in column matrix x1, x2, x3. We form the some equation. That equation you solve is getting the 3 values. That 3 values is called a eigenvector. In lambda 1 3 values, lambda 2 is also 3 values, and lambda 3 is a 3 values. Total 3 eigenvector, 3 x1, lambda 1 corresponding eigenvector, lambda 2 corresponding eigenvector, lambda 3 corresponding eigenvector. Total 3 eigenvector is there. That eigenvector is completed meaning normalized. So it is a normalized vector formula, that meaning x1 divided by root of x1 squared plus x2 squared plus x3 squared, x2 divided by root of x1 squared plus x2 squared plus x3 squared, x3 divided by root of x1 squared plus x2 squared plus x3 squared. This is a first normal vector, second vector, third eigenvector. We want corresponding 3 values and put here. That values is called a normalized vector. That values is called a normalized vector. That normalized vector is not that n. That normalized vector is not that n. Then same formula using here. Okay. At least you study this formula. I given the idea in the next class. When you will start next class? I given the up to normalized vector I completed formula. Principal components I explain in the next class. Principal components I explain in the next class. Okay. I given the one example and completed all problems. Okay. That problem is another 16 mark. Okay. This is a first part and another 16 mark I will take in same problem. How to solve this problem? How to find the principal components? How to find the, this is a covariance matrix, this is a covariance matrix, this is a correlation matrix. Okay. All things I am completed in the next class. Okay. Next class. So when will start in the next class, ma? Today weekend is completed. Next week